Hey, what's up, boys and girls? I'm gonna do another draft or a box break of this 2013 draft prospects, and we'll see what comes in a box. Newly released just today. McKinnon, Jones, and Drouin, the three. Oh my God. Okay. The three top three picks probably for when is it? June 30th. This next Sunday, when the 2013 draft is. That's what a box looks like. Here's the stack of cards. I think you get 3 autographs and 2 memorabilia hits, and all the autographs are on card. Let's take a look. Alright, first we got Sergei Fedorov, Draft Surprises, 1989. I guess you can't read that, maybe you can, you'll enjoy reading. I'll read that later. First round pick, Daryl Sittler, 1970, London Knights. Zachary Fucali, Halifax Mooseheads. They won the Calder Cup, or no, they won the whole damn thing. No, not the Calder, Memorial Cup, I think. Josh Morrissey, Prince Albert, 2013 Draft Pro, whatever, base card. Jaromir Jagr, 1990, cool. First round pick. Scott Niedermayer, 1991, first round pick. Really shiny foil. Ryan Hartman, base. Should do slow rollness. Don't recognize him. Past and future draft prospects: Yari Curry, Alexander Barkov. That's a real good looking color. 3 colors and 2 colors. I like it. And that is gold version. Numbered out of 10, I'm guessing. That's a neat looking card. Oh, I just ruined the surprise. It's Jordan Subban. That's a good one too. Game used jersey, 2013. That's 2 good ones right off the bat. There's a huge thick seam there. He plays for the Bulls. And we got an autograph of Ryan Pullock. Cool. And Jordan Subban again. Nice. 2000. Is he eligible this year for the draft? And these are thick stock cards. And we got Brody Silk. Oh man, this guy's no good. And looks like it's getting rubbed off a bit. Well, Jordan Subban, Brody Silk, Ryan Pullock. We'll see if they get drafted. I don't think this guy got drafted. Anyways, that's my box of the new draft prospects. I like it. Anyways, thanks for watching, and yeah, have a great day. Bye.